Hello friends, this is Ishtiyaq Ahmed, the Telecom Guru. I'm here again with you. This video is the continuation of my previous topic, which is future of retail and new trends and the physical stores and brick and mortar. Will they survive? Will they flourish? So in my previous video, in my previous topic, it was already discussed very well, and I mentioned that yes, they will survive if they will go for digital transformation, if they will adopt new technologies for their business, and if they will go for the digitization. So that was the outcome. So what I'm going to do now that I'll share with you the real implemented use cases of digitization and new technologies happened in retail sectors. And those digitization actions and those implemented use cases are based on technologies like 5G, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, and how it has been used. Basically, people are using chatbot, complete store management, complete chain management, then pricing, customer service, and so many other applications are already being used and implemented. So what I'm going to do, instead of talking about it, I'll share with you few use cases and the videos, so it will give you very good idea and you will be able to understand it very well. So I'm going to play few videos, and those videos are self-explanatory. So the videos which I'll play, one is for the show fields. You know very well, this is the revolution in retail industry. It's a hybrid model of physical store and e-commerce, which is the best strategy at the moment. Then no check-in, no payments, contactless payment. Amazon, they have already started it. Then smart mirror, it is being used at so many retail outlets, especially in the fashion industry. Ralph Lauren, they are one of the outlets. They are using this smart mirror technology. Then facial recognition for customer value management and customer loyalty. So once you will look at the video, you will have idea how this technology is being used. Then robot, Walmart, they are using. Then big data, Zara, it is implemented there also for their stock management and price management. So all those technology are being used in a way in different places. So I'm going to play those videos. You will have very good idea about the whole digitization implementation, and then after the video I'll be with you. Hope you will enjoy and you would love these videos. Thank you.
4 years ago, we started to wonder, what would shopping look like if you could walk into a store, grab what you want, and just go? What if we could weave the most advanced machine learning, computer vision, and AI into the very fabric of a store so you never have to wait in line? No lines, no checkouts, no registers. Welcome.
Hello, everybody. So I'm very sure that you must have enjoyed those videos and you got the idea that what is happening in retail world, how brick and mortar store is transforming into the hybrid solution, the combination of brick and mortar plus e-commerce. So brick and mortar is going to be there. It will survive very well if you will go for the digital transformation. And the best thing is this, for next 3 years the higher part of the revenue will come from the brick and mortars, will come from the physical store. So you have to just have a right strategy. This is the point. 78% share is coming from a brick and mortar. So I would like to say thank you to all of you. If you have any inquiry, if you want to have my consultancy service for the digitization of your retail outlets, if you need my services for project on long term and short term basis or on permanent basis, I'm available. Please like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be with you very soon with another new and exciting topic. Thank you very much. Take care.